Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be making some gyro meat, 50% lamb, 50% beef, and we're going to be spinning it on our Joetisserie on the Kamado Joe. If you don't have a rotisserie and you just have a regular grill, don't worry about it. I will, one, at the end of the video, I'll tell you how to do that. And two, I'll put a link in the description to another video that shows you exactly how to do that. The meat is just outstanding. I'm surprised how easy this is. Don't be discouraged if you don't have a rotisserie. One of the things that you can do is set up your grill for indirect heat. Put the whole thing on there, get your internal temperature up to about 155, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull it off, get your temperature up real high, and then what you can either do is slice it up and sear the slices or just sear the outside, but it'll come out just the same, just as good. I have a knockoff ash basket that I use, and one of the things that I like to do when I'm spinning some meat is actually move that basket up onto the side a little bit so that it's not directly beneath. You could accomplish this if you didn't have a basket just by piling coals on one side. I just find this really, really easy. So I put the divider in into the basket that I have. I put the divider in, I fill half of the side with charcoal, and then I lift it up onto the side. And that way your drippings aren't falling into the fire, getting flames to kick up or anything like that. And if you want to, you can also put like some tin below to catch it. But I just found that this was kind of the best way for me to do it. So I'll light it and then I'll slide it on up to the side to get it out of the way so it's not directly below. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching Break It Yourself. Don't forget to thumbs me up, and we'll see you next time.